Hello guys! Today I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account using your web browser. First, just go to Deleto.app. On this site, you'll find instructions on how to delete your accounts or download your data from many different web and mobile apps. Let's find Facebook here. Click on Open Guide. Let's follow them together. First, log into your Facebook account. I've already done this. Next, click on your profile picture and select Privacy Settings. Then click on Personal Details. After that, go to Account Ownership and Control. Here, click on Deactivation or Deletion and choose your account. Remember, you have two options. You can deactivate your account, which means you can reopen it within 30 days, or you can delete it, which is permanent. Pick whichever option you prefer. Let's delete the account and click Continue. You'll need to pick a reason for deleting. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. Just select any option and continue. Click Continue again, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.